Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you look at the 18-inch laptop market, it is easy to assume that these massive machines are all about brute force numbers without any real finesse. I have used a lot of desktop replacements over the years, and most of them feel like loud, hot blocks of plastic that force you to sacrifice visual quality and system stability just to get high frame rates. However, after using the ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming laptop as my absolute main machine for intensive gaming, multi-stream broadcasting, and heavy production workloads, I can confidently state that this device completely rewrites the playbook for large format laptops. It is a stunning, beautifully engineered masterclass in mobile performance that feels far more like a high-end desktop workstation than something you can pack into a backpack. The true heart of this machine is the spectacular Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 275HX. Featuring a massive configuration of 24 cores and a maximum turbo frequency that pushes all the way up to 5.4 GHz, this processor handles multi-threaded computing with an effortless grace that blew me away. In everyday professional scenarios and heavy multitasking sessions, this means you can leave dozens of memory-heavy browser tabs open, keep a communication client active, run resource-heavy recording software in the background, and launch a modern game, all without noticing even a microsecond of system stutter or interface lag. The raw processing overhead here is immense, allowing you to compile complex code, render detailed three-dimensional architectures, or export high-resolution video timelines without the machine ever feeling like it is pushing past its comfort zone. Graphics processing is managed by the highly capable, dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. While some users might automatically assume you need the highest tier graphics stack for an 18-inch chassis, this specific configuration hits an absolute sweet spot for efficiency and high-fidelity performance. It drives modern AAA titles at impressive settings and completely crushes competitive esports games, maintaining locked, stable frame rates that match the speed of the display panel. Speaking of the display panel, the 18-inch 2.5K ROG Nebula display is easily the most hypnotic feature of this entire laptop. Moving to this massive screen real estate with a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate and a 3-millisecond response time fundamentally changes how you interact with your software and games. The motion clarity is breathtakingly smooth, completely eliminating the ghosting, tearing, and smearing that plagues cheaper, slower displays. The colors are incredibly rich, deep, and vibrant, providing an immersive canvas that makes open-world games feel alive and ensures your color accuracy remains spot on when editing creative content or designing media layout projects. The extra screen estate means you can comfortably tile multiple windows side by side, mimicking a traditional dual-monitor desktop setup without needing external hardware clutter. ASUS also made zero compromises when it came to supporting components, packing this specific model with a generous 32 GB of high-velocity DDR5 RAM and a fast 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 solid-state drive. Having 32 GB of memory right out of the box means that memory bottlenecks are a thing of the past, allowing you to jump seamlessly between heavy computational workloads and intensive gaming sessions instantly. The solid-state drive operates at incredible read and write speeds, ensuring that your operating system boots up in seconds. Massive game files load their assets almost instantaneously, and file transfers take a fraction of the time compared to older generations of storage technology. Of course, all of this high-end desktop-level power would mean absolutely nothing if the laptop choked under its own thermal output during long sessions. This is where the ASUS ROG Intelligent Cooling System completely proves its worth. By utilizing their advanced tri-fan technology, the laptop manages to pull a massive volume of fresh air through strategically placed vents and exhaust heat efficiently away from the critical silicon chips. Even during marathon streaming sessions, extended rendering queues, or intense competitive gaming, the system maintains incredibly stable thermal thresholds. The keyboard deck stays comfortable to the touch, and the fans manage their acoustic profile beautifully, avoiding that high-pitched whine that ruins so many other gaming laptops under heavy load. The connectivity suite is thoroughly future-proof, headlined by cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 wireless technology that delivers phenomenal, low-latency network stability even on crowded modern routers. The physical port layout is equally outstanding, giving you a lightning-fast Thunderbolt 4 port, an HDMI 2.1 output for clean connection to external displays, multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, and a reliable audio jack. Running on Windows 11 Pro, you also get top-tier enterprise security features and advanced management tools that elevate this machine from a standard gaming rig to an elite business and studio asset. Ultimately, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is an extraordinary achievement, delivering uncompromised power, a legendary display, and elite thermal management that will satisfy the most demanding gamers and creators alike.